Hi everyone, welcome to Discover Talent. I'm your host Vinod. Today's session will be a game changer for you. Okay, we are going to cover how to create our own custom GPTs using a chat GPT. Now you can develop your own GPTs with whichever domain you are in, finance, accounting, or IT, name it, and your GPT is ready. How to create that end to end step, we are going to capture it. Now I know that sounds super advanced, but trust me folks, it is a very stepwise guide which I'm showcasing over here. And yes, we are going to showcase that live demo each step. Also keeping that in a section wise, or maybe you can call it as a chapter wise, right? If in case you are not really interested to understand a introduction, or you are already aware about the history about ChatGPT, you can skip that particular part and you will move ahead. So without further ado, let's quickly start. Welcome back to Module 1 series, Understanding ChatGPT, the Advanced AI Chat Bot by OpenAI. ChatGPT is a smart AI chatbot made by OpenAI. It can understand and write a text like a human. This presentation will explain what it can do, how it works, where it's used, and what it might do in a near future. In this presentation, we will learn the basics of ChatGPT, what it is, and the company that created. Look at how it works using something called generative pre-trained transformer and why that matters. We will also talk about what ChatGPT can do, how it was trained, how it is being used in a different industries today. ChatGPT is a big step forward in AI, made to talk with the people in a natural way. Knowing what it is help us to understand what it can do. Cool. So what is ChatGPT? Okay. ChatGPT is a smart computer program made by OpenAI that uses machine learning to reply with a text like a human. It chats with users and gives a clear, relevant answers basis the prompt what we added. Right. OpenAI is a research group that works on creating safe and helpful artificial intelligence, which is called AI. It was started in December 2015 and its goal is to make sure AI helps people in a good way. Cool. So this is all about the creators overview which we have showed you on the screen folks. The key features of ChatGPT. ChatGPT has a many useful features. It can understand a topic, give the relevant answer and keep the conversation clear. It can also change its tone and style to match what users want. Understanding generative pre-trained transformer, which is called GPT, right? To understand how ChatGPT works, we need to look at the system behind it called generative pre-trained transformer, which is GPT. This part will explain what it made of and why it really matters. So here we go with the definition. The word generative in GPT means model can create a text from the input which we get. This helps it gives unique and suitable answer similar how we talk to the people, right? Importance of pre-trained. Training is an important step in building ChatGPT. In this stage, the model learns the large amount of text to understand language, grammar, and context. This helps it give better and more accurate answer. The transformer is the core design behind the GPT model. It helps the model quickly understand information and context using the method called self-attention. This makes it very good at working with a language. Capabilities and applications. In a ChatGPT can do many different things, making it useful in many areas. This part will show its main features and what it can do more best.
Content creation, content creation for ChatGPT, content creation, text, stories, poem, code. One great thing ChatGPT can do is content creation. It can be writing a story, poems, articles, and even small pieces of code. This makes it helpful for both writers and developers. ChatGPT is a helpful writing tool. It can help users to come up with ideas, write essays, and explain hard topics in an easy way. ChatGPT can help solve real-time business problems by giving the useful information and answering the questions because it can find answers quickly. It's a good tool for a research and learning. To understand how well ChatGPT works, where it might have limits, it's important to know how it's trained and what data it learns from. This part will explain the training process. So, training process with the ChatGPT. ChatGPT is trained in two main steps. First, it learns from large mix of internet text, which is called pre-training. Then it is improved using a spatial data and human feedback. Fine tuning it. This helps it understand language better and respond the way users prefer. ChatGPT learns from different types of data, including license content, text written by human trainers, and public information in different language. This mixed combination helps to understand many different topics. Good and varied data is a very important for training ChatGPT. OpenAI carefully chooses data that covers many topics, views, and writing style. This helps reduce bias and makes the model work better. Impact and future potential. ChatGPT is already making a big impact in near future, which we can see it in real time, right? And even we are seeing the many differences in the industries. We are also hearing out from the newses, right? Multiple industries are laying off for the people, right? So it's time to upgrade your skills, folks. In this part, we will look at how it's being used in today and what it might do in the future, and some important ethical questions we need to think about. Current impact on various industries. GPT is changing the game in areas like customer service, content creation, education, and more. It offers smart AI solutions that help people work faster and stay more engaged. ChatGPT has a bright future as the AI keeps getting better. New updates could make it even smarter, helping it understand the little details in how people talk. As AI grows more powerful, it's important to think about ethics. We need to handle things like a data privacy, fairness, and using AI responsibly to make sure it helps everyone in a good way. To sum it up, ChatGPT is a big step forward in AI. It has some amazing features and is already being used in many different industries and areas. As we move forward, it's important to understand both benefits and challenges that comes with this powerful tool. In our next session, let's talk about brief history about AI and its evaluation. We will explore how AI started and how it's grown into what we see today. So stay tuned for a session 2. Welcome back. Thank you for watching session 1. I hope you now have a good understanding of the basic concept of ChatGPT. In this session, we will walk you through how artificial intelligence, which is AI, has grown over a time. We will explore where AI began, key milestones in its journey, and how generative pre-trained transformers, which is GPT, have developed. We'll start by looking at where AI came from, including the first ideas and the important early work. Then we'll talk about how the term artificial intelligence was created and go over the major steps into the progress. Finally, we'll focus on how GPT was developed and how it has improved over a time. The journey of AI started in the mid 1900s. Early ideas, smart machines, and neural networks helped set the stage for future development. In 1943, Warren Michelage and Walter Pitts came up with the first idea of artificial neural networks. Their work helped people to start understand how brain could link to a computer. Turing wrote a paper called Intelligent Machinery where he suggested the machines could act like a human and show intelligence. This important idea had a big impact on the future of AI. In 1950, Alan Turing introduced the Turing test. It was meant to check if machine could act so much like a human that people couldn't tell the difference. This idea is still important in AI today. The term artificial intelligence was first in 1900, marking an important moment in the growth of the field during the time of early computer systems were built to copy of human think. The Dartmouth Conference in 1956 is seen as starting point of AI as a field. At this event, researchers came together to talk about how machines could act like a humans. This is when the term artificial intelligence was first introduced. During this time, early AI programs like ELIZA and SHRDLU showed that computers could hold simple conversation and understand basic human language. These were important steps forward in AI development. Over the years, AI has reached many important milestones like winning the games against humans and growth of machine learning and deep learning. These achievements have helped shape what AI looks like today. In 1997, IBM's Deep Blue made history by beating world chess champion Gary. This showed that AI could handle complex thinking and solve tough problems. In 2010, machine learning and deep learning grew quickly. These techniques changed how AI was used in many areas like healthcare, finance, and transportation. AI tools like Siri, Alexa, and Google Translate brought AI into a daily life. They gave people easy to use digital helpers that made tasks faster and more convenient. Generative pre-trained AI, which is called GPT, are a big step forward in AI language tools. Newer versions have become smarter and more useful over a time. GPT-1 was launched as the first of its kind. It showed that AI could learn on its own and create a clear, meaningful text. GPT-2 came out in 2019 with many more parameters, making it better at writing like a human, but it was released carefully because people were worried it could be misused. GPT-3 was launched in 2020 with a huge number of parameters. It impressed many people and was used in many fields. Sparking talks about the future of powerful AI. The newest GPT versions show continued progress with better features and skills. This points to a future and even a smarter AI tools. In 2022, GPT 3.5 was released and led to public ChatGPT tools. It made chat and AI smoother and more natural. GPT-4 came out in 2023. It could understand text and images, and it was better at reasoning, making it useful in more ways. GPT-4 Turbo, expected in 2024, aims to be a faster, cheaper, and it could be a make more powerful AI easier for more people to use. The history of AI and GPT shows amazing progress. As AI keeps growing, it will bring many new chances and also some challenges in the near future. In this video, we will explain the difference between ChatGPT and custom GPTs in an easy way. You will learn what they do, how custom GPTs are made for special needs, and how they help in real jobs. We will also show why making AI personal is useful and how it makes tools smarter and more helpful. We will look at what ChatGPT can do and where it has a limits. Then we will talk about custom GPTs, how to make them personal and see examples from real life. In the next session, we will show you the live demo to see how it works. This part gives a basic understanding of ChatGPT. It's a general purpose AI trained on wide range of information. We will explain what it knows, how it works, and why its ability to be customized in limited compared to other AI models. ChatGPT is built to be a flexible AI that can help with many different tasks. It uses a large amount of data to give human like answers, but it's not made for any one specific job or a subject. ChatGPT has been trained models, internet text, so it knows a lot about many of the topics. This helps it have a flexible conversations, but it can sometimes give general or less accurate answers when it comes to very specific or detailed subjects. Even though ChatGPT knows a lot, its information only goes up to the date it was last trained. It doesn't have access to live or private data, so it might not always be accurate when talking to about current events or very specialized topic. ChatGPT allows only a little personalization by using prompts or basic system instruction. It can't use personal data or be deeply changed to fit specific needs or tasks. Custom GPTs are make AI more useful by letting you shape how it behaves and train it for specific tasks. In this part, we will explain what custom GPTs are, why they are helpful, and how they are different from regular ChatGPT models. Custom GPTs are specially designed AI models made to fit specific user needs. They give more accurate and relevant information with flexible response time. Other than that, a normal GPT. With custom GPTs, users can control how the AI talks, including its tone, style, and how it interacts. This makes it great for a specific roles or a matching brand's unique voice. Custom GPTs can be trained with spatial or a private data, which helps them become expert in specific topics or tasks. This is something regular model like a ChatGPT can't do as well. Custom GPTs are built for specific jobs like giving a legal advice or tech support. So they will be a work experts in those specific areas. This makes them more helpful and keeps users more satisfied. This part explains the main tools you can use to customize a GPT, include special instructions, safely adding your own data, and using APIs and other tools to automate tasks or connect to workflows. Custom GPTs let you control exactly how they respond by setting rules and guidelines. This helps Make sure the AI follows your goal and stays with ethical limits. Custom GPTs use strong privacy protections so they can safely work with private data or any sensitive information if in case there. This helps improve accuracy while keeping the data secure. Ask ChatGPT. Custom GPTs can link to outside tools and APIs, which helps automate complex tasks and let them work smoothly. In this section, we will look at how custom GPTs help in areas like customer support, education, and business automation. These examples show how flexible, useful they are in many different situations. Custom GPTs make customer service better by giving replies that are personalized, accurate, and based on the current situation. This reduces work of human agents and make customers happier. Custom GPTs create personalized learning experience by adjusting to each student's need. They also help research by providing expert knowledge and useful resources. Custom GPTs help businesses by handling repetitive tasks, making workflow smoother, and supporting better decision. This leads to a higher efficiency and saves money. This part explains how custom GPTs work with people as a smart helpers. They make work faster and help teams make better decisions with real examples. Custom GPTs make teams by sorting information, giving useful insights, and solving tough problems together with people. Custom GPTs speed up decision making by doing routine tasks, giving a smart suggestion based on the last historical data. This helps teams work better and faster. Many companies now use custom GPTs in their daily work as help them get better results, create new ideas, and connect more with their customer. We will show you how to set up a custom GPTs, including how to customize it and give it tasks using a real example. This slide shows the steps to make a custom GPTs, setting how it behaves, adding your own data, and adjusting settings for a specific jobs. Ask GPT. We will show how a custom GPT handles tasks with personalized replies, fits smoothly into a work process, showing how flexible it is. To sum up, custom GPTs go beyond regular AI like ChatGPT by adding personalization, expert knowledge, and the ability to connect with other tools. This makes them powerful for many different industries. In the next session, we will covering how to develop your own custom GPT live demo. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe Discover Talent. Welcome to Discover Talent Session 4. Today we will learn about how to build a generative pre-trained transformer or GPT for short. We will talk about what GPT is and its importance. If in case you have missed the session 1, 2, 3, okay, we will urge you to watch those series. We'll give you the clear understanding about what we have covered, basics about GPT and the history all about GPTs. Cool? In this video, we will introduce GPT technology and talk about how it is used in real life. We will also explain why creativity and having a clear purpose are important. You will learn what basic things are needed to get started, how to come up with your own project ideas, and what easy no code tools you can use to build them. Generative pre-trained transformer, which is called GPT, are a smart AI tool that can write text just like a humans based on the input we give. Okay, learning how GPT works is important if you want to use it well in a different areas like writing, education, business, or creative projects. GPT technology uses deep learning to understand and create a text. It learns from large amounts of data and give you the smart relevant answers based on the prompt which we provide. GPT has many use cases like writing content, helping customers through the chat, and building chatbots because it is so flexible and it can be used in many different areas. Using creativity and a clear purpose in your GPT projects makes the result more better. When you know your goal, it helps GPT work right way and give you the correct answer. To build GPT, you need some basic tools and accounts. In this part, we will show you how you will get those, and in live demo, we will demonstrate you how you can quickly get that started. The first step is to create an OpenAI account. GPT, try its features and access the API for your projects. ChatGPT Plus gives a better access like a faster replies and fewer delays when it's busy. It's helpful if you are using a GPT more often or for a bigger projects. You need a good internet connection and web browser that works well. This helps you to use GPT smoothly without any problems. Having a clear purpose for your GPT projects helps you to stay focused, think about what problem you want to solve or what task you want to GPT wants to do on your behalf. Brainstorming helps you come up with the smart and creative ideas for your GPT projects. Working with others can bring new thoughts and better solutions. Knowing your project to whom is really important. Think about who will use it and what they need so you can make something useful and helpful for them. You don't need to know coding to build a GPT project. In this part, we will look at easy tools and interfaces that let you create your own GPT. Some platforms have a easy to use interfaces working with GPT. They let you create and use GPT tools without any coding skills. Easy tools make it simple to create content with GPT. They are made to be user friendly so you can focus on your ideas, not a tech stuff. Since no coding is needed, you can focus more on your ideas and creativity. This makes it easier to explore, build your great GPT projects. Great GPT projects need to creativity and a time. In this part, we will talk about how to boost your creative ideas and use your time to keep improving your project. To make your projects better, try to boost your creativity. You can do this by brainstorming, looking for a inspiration, and working with others to get to know their ideas. Managing your time is important for a good GPT projects. Make a plan that includes time for exploring, testing, and improving your work. This helps you to get better result. To keep your project useful and up to date, you need to keep improving it. Adding a new ideas using a feedback will make it more better over a time. To build a GPT project, you need to understand how it works, have it a right tools, set a clear goal, and use your creativity. By following these steps, you can create and improve your own GPT project successfully. So let's see how everything we have learned comes up together in our real example. So let's quickly start with a live demo on GPT. Alright, welcome back. So this is the screen which you can see on the browser. Okay, chatgpt.com. You can type it on your browser, be it you are using a Chrome or maybe Edge. Okay, you just have to type this URL which is mentioned over here, and then you will get this pop-up called login or maybe the sign up. Okay, for me, I have the account already with me, so I'll just simply click here and I'll log in. Okay, with my account. you can log in through your Apple mobile, okay, maybe your Microsoft account, Gmail account, or maybe directly with your email ID. Cool, I'll just simply sign in with my email ID, and this is the navigation. I can see it over here. Here you can type your prompt over here, which is mentioned, right? Ask anything. And this is the models which we have discussed in our last sessions. And there are many more models like this. Cool. So latest one is this 4.5, good for writing and exploring ideas. Cool, great for quick coding and analysis. Why we are using these models? So the summary example is been given over here, right? So right now the ChatGPT model I'm using for a premium one, which is the plus one, okay, um, in which we can create our own models. Okay, it is like a Google Play Store only. Okay, you can develop your own app, and as like we publish our apps right on the Google Play Store. Likewise, we can publish our own GPTs on this GPT Store, folks, like this. So this is a GPT Store for us. Cool. Again, there is no comparison with the Google or maybe any other companies. Okay, but just in a hypothetical scenario, right? When we are developing our own model, how we can add that on the specific tool. Cool. So here is my GPTs. My GPT, I can see how many GPTs I have developed over here and how many users have interacted so far, right? And they have used this. And then upgrade plan. If in case I wish to upgrade, I'll just simply click here, and this is the pricing which I can see it over here right now. Cool. If in case you need for business, you can just add this, and for a business you can opt in. And then there are so and so forth options available in the settings. Cool, we'll not go in detail in this, but yeah, let's talk about GPT model creation, how we can create that. Since we are here, I'll just click here, GPTs. Okay, at the top you can see create option, right? I'll just simply click here, create option. As soon as you click on this option, you can see the URL has been changed, chatgpt.com/gpts/editor. You can just directly visit this URL and you will get this, or maybe simply click on GPTs and then click on this create new option. There are two options available. One is create and the second one is that configure. I would recommend, since you are a new or maybe is yet to start with the ChatGPT, just start with a creative option. Okay, so when you say create, you can give your basic English to the prompt, okay, and they will understand in a form of form. In that particular language, it will understand and will give you the model creation properly. Okay, in this scenario here, what it's written: hi, I will help you build a new GPT, something like make a creative who helps generate a visuals for a new product. Okay, so likewise I just copy this. Okay, I just simply paste it over here, and I'll say make a content creator bot for me who creates topic on education. Okay, just a normal bot I am developing over here. And then if in case you already have any data sources available, you can configure that at the back end. Right now there is no need. Okay, simply just I have added a simple English and I'll click here. Cool. You can see at the right hand side there is a preview has been mentioned. Okay, this is the preview. So whatever we type here, this will automatically show in the preview section. Cool. You can see here it is automatically getting loaded. Great. So it is saying that now let's give a GPT name Edu Content Creator, or maybe I'll say Edu Nation. Now it's generating a profile picture for me, and then once the profile picture is generated for my model, it will show me like this here. Cool. You can see it at the right hand side. Perfect. Please keep tone more professional, educational, and avoid jargons. we will be using this text on LinkedIn and other social media platform along with our website. Cool. So this is just a prompt I'm giving while he's giving me a response. So again, it's updating at the backend. Cool. So now it's saying that I have refined the so and so whatever GPT is saying that he's refined that, needs to tweaks that the content whatever I have asked for. And suppose I want to say here, which is my model, right? This model is now mine. I need help topics on data analytics. What should be focused upon? There we go. Cool. So whatever you type here in the left hand side, it will give you the result then and there, right? Cool. Now the configure part, since we already covered the create, now configure is basically if in case you already have a conversation starter with you, right? Suppose you want to say that FAQs kind of thing, right? So frequently asked question. If in case you have a question, right? Suppose I want to say Excel related tools, Excel related tools, or maybe I will say Excel formulas for finance, something like that. Cool. And then if in case I have the knowledge repository, I'll just simply select this and I'll upload it. I don't have it right now, so I'll just keep this as it is. Since it is using a data kind of thing, so I'll just simply select this option on. Okay. So if in case I need to add a code or maybe get a code from this, right? So I can use this. And that's it. This is really helpful for us. Okay. And what type of model it is using? So model is using this. So I'll just select this and I'll say 4.1, or maybe this time I'll just keep this as a 4.5. So okay. So once it is done, I'll just say create, and it is asking me, do you want to publish this on GPT store? Okay. Or maybe you can directly just share this link with individuals. Then people who are having this access, right, for this GPT, they can only access it. Otherwise, no other member can access it. Okay. Only me, and this will only keep limited with you. Okay. Now I'll keep this as a GPT store and keep it as a educational category. Okay. And simply save it. Cool. It will take some time to load, and there we go. Now I can see my GPT. View GPT. Cool. So likewise, I can see my left hand side. These are the GPTs I have developed so far, right? And I can use that as and when I needed. Cool. Now suppose I want this drafting a post for a new online course. Cool. So it is automatically generating a content for me, and very professional manner it's giving me a result then and there. So I'm not typing any single prompt there, right? It's a predefined prompt only. I'll just simply select that and I'll click enter over here, and there we go. Cool. If you in case you want to download it, you can simply download it. Okay. You can share this as well if in case you wish to review this with someone, right? You can use that. Cool. And I don't want this right now, so I'll just simply close this, and this is the normal page for me. Generate poster. Data analytics is amazing. Okay. Now as soon as I type that, it's giving me this particular answers over here. So I will again add a prompt over here. Can you generate image showing to male in the poster. Cool. In this case, if you get this particular prompt, right, so he's asking us, he will not able to generate it, then no need to worry. Okay, what you have to do, click here again. Okay, GPTs, and then click on this my GPT. Whatever GPT you have generated, just click here, edit, configure, just go down. Image generation is on. Okay, and this time I will just change this, keep it this, update model. I have changed it intentionally, and let's see this time if it is helping us. Generate image, message should be data analytics is amazing, show to mains in the poster, size okay. So what I have did, I have just now changed the model from there, right, and I'm just checking if in case it can generate a image for me. Okay, and it working fine, right, so it's working completely. Cool. So I have just now changed the model. I haven't did anything else. Okay. So you have to do a basic, changes there as and when it's required, and you have to test it accordingly. Okay. And as soon as you test that, you just have to deploy it wherever it's required in your projects, in your deal, in your company. Okay. If in case you are an entrepreneur, okay, ensure that you are using this wisely. Cool. And then as soon as it is done, okay, it will show me the result like this. Cool. It will take some time again to load. And basis the prompt again, you can refine this design as per your own requirement, folks. Cool. Right now I have just now added this simple prompt. Okay. And yes, very good tip is that, right now we are using a plus. Suppose your plan is expire. Okay, this plan is expire after 30 days. You are not able to renew that, but your GPTs will be available, that's for sure. Okay, even if you do a payment, or maybe you are using a free GPTs. Okay, but for initial stage, while creating a GPTs, you have to pay for it. Cool. So this is how we have created our own model in ChatGPT, folks. Okay, this way you can also create in Gemini, also you can create in Copilot, folks. Okay, do let me know if in case you want to learn about Gemini as well as Copilot too. Okay, so don't forget to watch our next session. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead. Welcome to Discover Talent. This is the lesson 5, and today we are exploring how custom GPT assistants are transforming the way we learn, work, and create, and how you can use them to build something amazing of your own. We will start by looking at how custom GPT assistants help in education. Then we will see how they improve business work. After that, we will explore their uses in the creative jobs, tech, and finally in healthcare. Custom GPT assistants can make learning better by giving students the right help and resources for their needs in different learning places. Teachers can create a homework helper GPT that gives students help with their assignments, explains hard topics, and share extra learning materials. This can help students to learn on their own. Tutors can use GPT assistants to make study guides and learning plans that match each student's needs and style. This helps students do better in school. Students can use custom GPTs to get help with essays and research. The assistant can suggest topics, gives the outline, and find useful information, making writing more easier. Shop owners can use GPT assistants to answer customer questions quickly and correctly, making shopping easier and better for customers. Customer service teams can use GPT assistants to quickly handle questions and help requests. This saves a time, lets staff focus on the harder problems. Marketing teams can use GPTs to create content like social media posts, blogs, and emails. They can also help plan strategies by looking at market trends and what people like. In creative work, custom GPTs can help with ideas, editing, and making content, helping professionals do their job very well. YouTubers can use GPTs to write video scripts on a popular topic. This saves time and keeps their content fun and up to date. Authors can use custom GPTs to help with editing and proofreading. They give tips to fix errors, improve style, and make writing more better and faster. Artists can also use GPTs to get new ideas and explore different creative directions. It gives having a digital muse to spark inspiration. Custom GPTs can help in technical work like coding, engineering, and studying a data, make tasks easier and more faster. Developers can use GPTs to help write a code, fix errors, and explain how things are going. This makes coding faster and more easier. Engineers can use GPTs to write and manage technical documents. It can also help solve a problems by using a past data and give a correct action. Data scientists can use GPTs to study data, make a charts, and build predictive models. This helps them to find out a insights faster and more easily. In healthcare department, custom GPTs can help both doctors and patients by giving useful support and easy access to healthcare information. Therapists can make self-help GPTs that share ways to handle stress, do mindfulness, exercise, and give support for mental health. Nutritionists can use GPTs to create custom diet plans and give food advice based on each person's need and goals. Fitness trainers can use GPTs to make workout plan that fit each person's fitness level and goals, making a exercise more fun and more effective. Custom GPTs can help in many areas by boosting work, ideas, and support. People and businesses can use them to build smart solutions that fit their own needs. I hope you found this useful, folks. So please don't forget to watch our lesson 6. Welcome to session 6, Get Better Results with ChatGPT. In this session, we will show you easy and smart ways to use ChatGPT more effectively by asking clear questions, being polite, and sharing a right information. You can make GPT work better for you for your daily resume activity. We will start by talking about why clear instructions are important when we using a ChatGPT. Okay, we will look we will look at how being friendly in your messages help in your messages helps. After that, messages helps. uh, then we will look at how being friendly in your messages helps. After that, we will start by talking to we will start by talking about why clear instructions are important when using GPT. Then we will start by talking about why clear instructions are important when using GPT. Then we will look at how being friendly in your messages helps. After that, we will see why giving correct and up to date information matters. Next, we will talk about trying to different ways, asking a questions using a different prompts, right? We will also learn how to keep improving your results. Finally, we will end with simple pro tip for using a GPT for every day. Clear instructions help GPT to give better answers, be direct and specific so it knows exactly what you want. Treat GPT like an assistant, give it clear task would be just like you would be an employee. This helps you to get a better result. Tell GPT exactly what you want to do. Say how much detail you need and what format you want the answer in. Context helps GPT to give you a better answer. Share all the important details so it understands the full picture. Be friendly when talking to GPT. Using a nice conversational tone often gives better result and more helpful replies. A friendly tone makes GPT sound less robotic. It helps create a more natural and human-like replies. Keep your chat warm and friendly. Ask questions that start conversation and encourage more ideas. Use a chat like a style when talking to a GPT. It makes the conversation smoother and helps GPT understand you more better. Give GPT correct and up to date information. Also, the data, whatever data you are referring with, good data helps it give you a better result and more useful answer. Always use accurate data in your prompts. Correct information helps GPT to give you a reliable and helpful replies. Keep your data fresh, relevant, up to date, updated information helps GPT work better and give you a accurate answers. Give all the key details about your topic. The more complete your info, the better GPT can answer you. Try asking questions in different ways. It helps you to see what works best and gives you a better result. Ask different type of questions about your topic. This shows how much this shows how much GPT understand and helps you to get deeper insights. Test GPT with different situations. It helps you to learn what it does well and where it needs to be improvement. Look at GPT's reply and see what worked. This helps you to improve your questions next time. Keep learning and adjusting how you use GPT. This helps this helps you to make better result over a time. Pay attention to feedback on GPT's answer. It helps you to spot on what needs to be fixing and improving. Keep improving based on how GPT performs and the feedback you get. This helps you to get a better results every time. Adjust how adjust how you adjust how you use GPT based on your goals. Being flexible helps you to get answers that fit your own needs. Use use GPT often to get better with it. Use GPT use GPT often to get use GPT often to get better with it. The more you use it, the more you and GPT learn and improve. Using GPT every day helps you to understand it better. You will get smoother and faster results as you learn what does best. As you as you use GPT more frequently, it learns from your interaction, enabling it to provide a responses that better fit for your style and own needs. Use GPT daily to get the most of it. Being consistent helps you fully use its power of your work. Thank you for joining this session. By using these tips, You will have a smoother, smarter, and more enjoyable time with GPT. Keep learning, keep improving, and use GPT to make your daily work easier. Don't forget to subscribe to Discover Talent and make sure to watch our next module, Going Advanced with Automation and GPT API, coming up next. Welcome to Discover Talent. In this video, we will explore how APIs, automation, and AI tools can work together to make apps and services smarter. We will look at real examples and what's coming next in tech. We will show you how to connect GPT to your apps with the OpenAI API, automate work using Zapier and Make.com, create WhatsApp chatbots, build bots for Telegram and Discord, and add voice tech. We will also explore what's next in the innovation phase. The OpenAI API lets you to add AI to your apps. We will show you that as well. The OpenAI API is like a smart assistant you can plug into your app. It can chat, answer questions, summarize text, and even write a code. Businesses use it in chatbots, virtual tutors, and content tools. It's a gateway to adding advanced AI without building it from scratch. To use the OpenAI API, you will get a API keys, set up your tools, and make your first call. This slide covers these steps. The API can do much more than just a chatbot. Imagine a shop using a reply instantly to customers' questions or a news site that generates a quick summary of article. It can also help translation, writing a marketing post, creating a study guide for a students. Zapier and Make.com let you connect apps like Gmail, Slack, and Google Sheets without writing a single code. For example, you could set it so every time you get a form submission, it automatically saves the details to spreadsheet and email your summary, saving manual working hours. Automation tools connect apps to save time and cut errors, letting teams focus on bigger goals. Zapier connects apps with triggers and actions. This slide shows how to set up workflows so easily. Make.com uses visuals scenarios for advanced automation. This slide shows how to build complex workflows. A WhatsApp chatbot with GPT can greet customers, answer products questions, and even take bookings 24/7. Imagine a hotel chatbot that can recommend rooms, check in availability, and send directions all without human intervention. Building a WhatsApp chatbot means setting up a server, handling a chat, and following a WhatsApp's rules. This slide includes that. Linking GPT to WhatsApp chatbots makes conversation smarter. This slide shows how to connect with them. Real examples show how WhatsApp chatbots improve services and engagements. This slide shares a success story. Telegram and Discord bots can boost community of engagement. This section covers a lot. Telegram bots are great for personal chats or small groups, while Discord bots work well for big communities like gaming or tech servers. You can get them up, answer FAQs, give news updates, or even run a interactive games for your audience. Discord bots can automate and moderate servers. This slide shows how to create and launch them with GPT. Advanced bots can give custom replies and interactive games. This slide shows you how to add that features. With tools like 11 Labs and Play HT, you can turn the text into a voices that sound almost human. You could create a virtual guide for your app an audiobook from your blog, your multilingual voice assistant that speaks your customers in their own language, which feels their personalization. Tools like 11 Labs and PlayHT lets you add a speech apps. These tools can AI can turn text into a life like a speech. Voice integration boost accessibility and engagement. Future AI will understand emotions, so if you sound upset, it might respond more gently. It will also handle local dialect and slang, make it more natural for people in different religions to use, rural villages to big cities. Future GPT models will understand and write in a local dialects and improving slowly steadily. AI with video and audio can create immersive apps and real emotional cues. In education, AI could act as a personal tutor for every student. In healthcare, it could help doctors by quickly summarizing patients' history. In government, it could make services faster, like instantly answering citizens' questions or helping processes applications. Developers are the key to AI's future. APIs, automation, and new tools are the key to better tech and user experience. Big change are coming on your way. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.